What's up, y'all? It's Hash. I'm gonna try and speed run this. Recently, I got a comment on asking me how to change the fonts that you see on the OSD in Betaflight. Okay, now step number 1, we're gonna go into Betaflight. Make sure that this is a separate exe, okay, and not the web page or the web portal. Get your quad. This is the Betaflight, Beta FPV 5-in-1 AIO. Obviously, you're gonna want to jam that into the computer and plug it in. Bam! Once you've got it plugged in, Betaflight should load. You've got the OSD file on the left. Tab. You hit on the bottom right, Font Manager, and you will open this window. There's a list of different fonts that you can choose. Okay. This means that you're going to have to sacrifice one to be your custom one, I think, because I think if you add another file, it won't come up in that drop-down menu. I might not be right, but this is the official Fath.
You dumb fucking bitch!
This is the official file path for the font files. Obviously, we've got Vision MCM, which is the one that I want to sacrifice. Step number 2 is you're going to want to go here. And this is the font editor. I'll put the link in the description. You go ahead and run the program, and we've got this. You'll go ahead and open a file, and let's just do. I'll just stick with a backup copy. Let's do Vision MCM, and it will load the font into the thing. And at this point, you will be able to see every single little character that it tries to give you through the OSD, and you'll want to go in there and literally you just edit each one of them.
Bing, bing, bang.
See how I'm editing it? Okay, it's like pixel art. Yeah, and you just do that for all of them. Once you've got that done and you've got everything done, you hit save character, right? So this is to save just that character. Boom, and you save the actual character as being looking like this, right? So I'm gonna save it back. Then you hit save as. Now what this will allow you to do is it will allow you to type in whatever file name you want. What I ended up doing is I copied the Vision file so that it will show up in the program. Like I said, I don't know if it doesn't, but you'll see the text size is actually slightly bigger than the others because probably I put a little too much graphics on it. I don't know. Or also because it's edited. So yeah, once you've got it replaced as Vision, let's say that's the one you want. Obviously, you're not going to want to close it, but you'll save the font. You'll load into Betaflight. You'll open this. You'll go into Vision, and you should see the changes. And I've got that little PP right there, and custom image. Now that is another video for another day. But basically, black, white, and green are the only acceptable colors, and it should be a .bmp file, which is easy to do in Microsoft Paint. Anyway, you click Upload Font, and that should be the font going all the way into the chip. And hopefully, the next time you decide to load into your drone, you should see your brand new font. There are other things like other pieces of firmware like the Fath firmware where you're able to kind of change the text that it shows you for a low battery warning or max throttle or whatever, which is cool, but given that it's on a different bit of firmware, you're gonna have to kind of redo PID tuning and stuff like that, I think. Regardless, hopefully now you know how to change the font in your OSD through Betaflight using the Max 7456 font editor. Download it on GitHub in the description below. Thanks again. Bye.